Let's look at a few ways you can find your customer leads in DealerCenter. New leads, like internet leads from sources such as CarGurus or AutoTrader, can be set up to funnel directly into DealerCenter. These incoming leads generate real-time push notifications to your phone with the DealerCenter mobile app and in DealerCenter when you're at your computer. Make sure you have your Ready for Leads enabled. Check the notification menu to quickly identify untouched leads and open a list displaying any new customer records that haven't yet been viewed. You can also take advantage of your sales dashboard, which is essentially your dynamic daily to-do list. It displays not only new leads, but also leads you've scheduled appointments for or follow-up tasks you've created for yourself. It's here that all the information you need to act on is organized for your convenience. And while you're here, check out the lead management dashboard. Notice here it shows your new leads in addition to other leads that need attention, like customers you're still attempting to contact, or customers you've contacted but need to get into the dealership, and so on. Just click to see the customers and start following up. You can also go to your customer list. The key here is using the filters to narrow down just what you're looking for. For example, let's just look for customer records that were created today or customer leads created this month. Now let's look at just those that came from our website. Be sure you're not accidentally filtering out a customer you want to see by double-checking your filters. And notice this customer tile right on your home screen. This shows new prospects, and if you click here, it opens right into a list of your new prospects that are waiting for you to start working on. Finally, if you're looking for a specific lead or customer, you can simply type any information you have on hand, like name, phone number, or email, into the search box to pull them right up.